Yes, we work with a variety of suppliers and we have a wide range of styles on display at our showroom, or at quite a wide price range to suit varying budgets.
Do you supply appliances?
Yes, we have a large number of Fisher Paykel appliances at our showroom, and we also work closely with other brands to ensure that our customers have a range of options to choose from.
Do you supply lighting?
We can supply at cost cabinet lighting for your units, which is self-adhesive LED strip lighting. It's low in price and really easy for your electricians to fit.
Do you supply flooring?
Yes, we supply a range of styles of flooring, from wood to natural stone and porcelain, and we also work with a fitter if you need your flooring installed.
Do you supply work surfaces?
We work in partnership with a local company called Rock Revelations to cover any kind of supply and installation requirements that you have.
What hinges and drawer runners do you use?
So our traditional cabinets, the Shaker, Period English and Fusion ranges, all use traditional butt hinges, either in chrome or brass finishes, and then the modern range uses soft close hinges. The drawers throughout all our ranges all use soft close runners.
Do you pre-drill holes for handles in factory?
No, so the holes for handles would be drilled on site by the fitters. This gives you greater flexibility and more time to finalise your handle choice, because we don't need to know the exact style in order to drill holes in the factory.
Do you offer a fitting service?
So we work with a fitting company. We highly recommend them. They work solely fitting our kitchens. We would provide a quote for you from them, and then you pay them directly for the fitting work.
Can I use my own fitters?
Absolutely. If you choose to use your own fitter, you just need to ensure that they allow for unloading the units from the van when they arrive, and also supplying basic fitting material like screws and battens.
Is there a delivery charge?
So delivery to most of the mainland UK is free of charge on orders over £5,000. Depending on your location and the size of your order, there may be a charge, but we can advise you of that when we put together the quote for your kitchen.
When do you deliver?
So our deliveries run on a schedule at the beginning of the week. They're always on a Monday, sometimes a Tuesday, depending on your location. We get in touch with you the week before and let you know exactly which day it's arriving and give you a time slot for the arrival on the day.
When delivered, are the units flat packed or fully assembled?
The units all come fully assembled, including a solid wood top to the units.
What is your lead time and payment terms?
Our standard lead time is around 10 to 12 weeks from the point of order. To place your order, we require a 50% deposit, and then the balance of the cabinetry is due 1 week prior to delivery. For appliances and handles and things like that, we require payment in full prior to ordering.
Do you take credit cards?
Yes, we do. We can take Visa, MasterCard or Amex payments over the phone, or you can do a bank transfer.
Thank you.
Thank you.